Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That wasn't a joke! Trust me, Asus takes on the Steam Deck with ROG Ally. Asus has confirmed its own handheld gaming PC, the ROG Ally. This comes after tortuously drawn-out April Fool's Day's joke. Introducing the product. To refresh your memory, the ROG Ally is a portable gaming PC that Asus announced on April 1st, and later admitted was a joke. After that, they continued to talk about it, and now, a couple days later, they're admitting that their April Fool's Day joke was actually true all along. In essence, there isn't and never was a joke. And in this video, we'll give you some solid info on what Asus ROG Ally has to offer. The Ally runs fairly quietly, which is better news in Dave 2D's opinion. The Steam Deck, which isn't the loudest device ever, was tested at 37 dB, while the Ally operated at around 20 dB under load, which is a huge difference. Now, the biggest compliment to the device is its display, which has the same size as Steam Deck, 7 inches, but it's Full HD with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and offering brightness of 500 nits. But wait a minute, here's the biggest thing. ROG Ally offers 120Hz refresh rate, which will change the gaming experience in handheld devices. I mean, imagine not missing a single moment in the game. Now, talking about design, it's more slim and sleek than the Steam Deck, but grips aren't as beefy as they are on Steam Deck. But overall, it looks pretty elegant. And of course, the signature RGB lights of Asus are there around joysticks. Furthermore, you have ports for a headphone jack, micro SD card, volume button, power button with fingerprint sensor, one USB-C port, and a connection point for Asus's external GPU-X-G Mobile. The ROG Ally's ability to connect to one of Asus's external GPU enclosures, which utilizes a proprietary connection, is what makes it so exciting. That should allow you to significantly increase its GPU performance even to an RTX 4090, assuming you can continue to operate all the other display outputs on the GPU enclosure. It could be a good way to dock the device at home and play demanding games at a higher resolution. Now, talking about the software, the device runs Windows 11, but there's a unique Asus app that comes with a game launcher and enables some on-the-fly adjustments to the portable system. It's important to keep in mind that other Windows-powered handhelds aren't quite as smooth to use as the Steam Deck, which runs Valve's Linux Steam OS. Since some online games like Destiny won't run on the Steam Deck, Windows at least has fewer limitations on the types of games that can be played. If Asus can master its own launcher application, you won't need to access the Windows desktop as frequently. Price is the main piece of information we're currently lacking. Although the Steam Deck has a nice appearance, its main selling point is its unusually low cost for a gaming PC. The price will be very competitive, according to Asus, but beyond that, we don't know yet. Let's hope the software is easy to use and the price is truly competitive. It does appear to be a really good handheld PC despite its rocky announcement. That's all for Asus ROG Ally. Let us know in the comment section what your thoughts are on this new handheld gaming console. And see you in the next one.